Hey guys, Lek here.
Roman's here.
Yeah. Today we're doing some roofing. So what we're going to be doing is, let me show you right now. All right, so we are doing hot rubber roofing on this sauna build we're doing. We did the same thing first time on the shed over there, worked out great. We are no experts, but we got the job done. What do you need? You need to cover your roof first in some heavy paper to protect it from burning when you're laying it down. You're gonna need a torch. The hotter the better you can get. Harbor Freight sells them cheap. Some propane. You need an extinguisher for safety. Proper gear like shoes and clothing, you know, that's important. Broom sweeping debris. You're gonna need the roll of the roofing material. We picked this up in Home Depot. And some gloves, and that's it. We'll show you some quick pointers of how we do it. Hopefully it's helpful. If you have any comments or advice for others, let us know. So we're starting off with the bottom portion first. We're doing 2 feet from the end here first. Roll this piece back up. The reason for this is so we get a secure hold here. Once we lay this down, then we're gonna roll all the way back up here and start from this end and work our way down. So Roman's gonna show you guys how it's done right now.
Yeah.
So we're getting started. We want to get the torch as hot as possible. As you see, you know, we're not dressed appropriately, but it's a quick little project. Normally you do want to wear protective pants, you know, the right boots and stuff. Basically what Roman's doing right now, I'm holding this for him so we don't set it on fire. 90-degree angle, run it across, heat it all up, and then you slowly roll over. If you want to hold it with your foot or have somebody else doing it, as you see, you don't want that happening, but we're good. You're basically melting the rubber right now so it can stick to the roof. 90 degrees. And you're slowly going to roll that out. As you see, this is why we have the paper there. If there was no paper, the plywood would be on fire right now. Rolled up once the other end was done, and now we're going to start working all the way down, and that's about it. So 90 degree, I'm holding the hose for Roman so we don't set anything on fire. Now with the heavier end, the roll is sitting on its own. You get about a half a roll. Once it starts melting, after a few seconds, you keep going. Do wear appropriate boots and clothing, long pants to protect yourself, you know? Especially first time doing it. And that's it. Little by little, we're gonna unroll this. Some people like to roll a lot looser. We keep it tight. It worked for us so far. And that's it. Just gonna keep going to the end like this, guys. I'll show you when we connect another roll after. So we got our first roll done. It came out pretty good. Obviously we're not pros, but the job is done. Everywhere you see these little dents here, that's from actually stepping on your heel when you're rolling it out. So you want to avoid that. You want to be flat-footed the whole time. Yeah, but once this hot summer sun hits this, it's gonna, you know, melt it on, probably even better for us. We're starting on the second roll now, measuring it out. So we'll show you how we overlap the two. You basically just go into this red line with the other roll.
Cover it.
Yeah, just cover the red line. Yeah.
At least that's what I would do.
All right, guys, we're doing the second roll. So as you see, Roman's heating up the old one. We're overlapping that red line just slightly. We're working on a 90-degree angle, little section at a time. Melt that rubber and just roll it over and let it stick on. And that's it, little by little. So far it's coming out great. I'm hoping the weather's gonna hold up. It rained earlier, but we're good now. And then we'll show you guys how we finish it off. And that's really it. That's the magic of roofing. At least the small shed. You know, we're no experts, but it's coming out. Alright, finishing touches at the end now. It gets a little tricky here because it starts out rolling, so you might want to use a little spackle to hold it down. Flatten this whole thing out. Just heat it all up and just clap it right over. Show you guys really quick. Over here, you follow up where the seams are later with a smaller torch and a spackle and just smooth it all out to make sure it's a nice sealed connection. Looks pretty good right now, but we are gonna do a touch up. So yeah, we're gonna get the rest of this done and we'll show you guys the finished result. All right guys, the roof is all done. So next we're gonna trim the edges, put the metal trims on all edges, and then so guys, here's the finished roof. We ran out of the trim for the edges, so we're gonna finish that later, but this is it. Came out good, solid. This thing isn't going anywhere. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful for you. You got any questions, comments, let us know. Any experts out there that know any tips for everybody below, please comment. Why not? Give me a thumbs up. Please follow for more cool content. Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching.